Guys, here we are at the, where are we again? National Bird Cage Show. Come, let's look. So first we're just going to quickly go over here, which my son doesn't want to do because he doesn't like to see, okay, he doesn't like to see what do you don't like to see canaries? He doesn't like to see canaries, and he doesn't like to see finches, those ones. So we're just going to quickly glimpse through here. We're going to quickly glimpse through here.
Such interesting finds. Such interesting.
It's part of the competition, Jay. They were all in the competition, so all the same ones are going to be lined up here. Be quiet.
Exactly.
Look at the birdie. When you guys come to one of these things, this is what you're gonna see. See Piper.
Who see that thing? So retarded.
He might be going crazy. Remember we were talking about solitary confinement in a small place? But he got first and second. Look at that, first and second.
For what?
I don't know what for, but he got first and second. And this one got first for something. And this one got second.
This guy looks pretty sick.
Yeah, I like the coloring still. Like, see? And this one even got first and second.
Yeah, I'll give it to him.
Yeah.
See, this is some interesting bird. I've never seen this type of bird.
Don't
This
right
is
now.
That's purple.
Which one?
Like, see, like,
Ooh, this one got the second best soft bill.
it looks so.
This one got second best, guys.
No, this guy's first.
This one got third.
What?
He's called a purple. It's a starling, and it's called a purple
Do
glossy.
you know how sick that looks?
And you guys can't even, this is not even doing it justice.
No, but this looks nice.
You guys see that purple glimpse? I love that. Look at that. Look at that. The light reflection. But he got third.
This guy's number one.
I don't know what. Oh,
This idiot.
don't be nice. Oh, look at this one, Jay. This one's like a blue, like a royal blue. You have? Where? I never seen it before. How could you see it and I never seen it? Anyways, he's a red-legged honey creeper. Never even heard of them. We're looking at the oversized budgies again, guys. These are cockatiels. He's not bigger. He's not bigger than African gray. It's just his tail. This is Donna's Goldie, the same one that we seen last time. Donna's Goldie, Love of Pets Goldie, one second, one best. One best, first and first. Yeah. This is the one. This African gray one first. Josiah. This is a mini, and it won second best mini. Oh my gosh, seriously? I'm gonna ask Donna about the cages. This one won best hookbill. Oh wow, I wonder why he's best hookbill.
Is she ever gonna sell this one?
No, Donna's never selling her Goldie. She wants another one. I guess, maybe.
So if she ever finds another one, she can get the baby.
First is first. Maybe. Another Myers. I tell you, the brown head was... No, doesn't like you. Leave her alone. Floral type of design. Oh, they are scaredy, see? These are all for sale. I guess now we're at the selling area. So let's see what's for sale.
Let's go.
What happened over here? She looks terrified. What just happened? The birds fell? Look, oh, she doesn't want no more. Oh, the macaw bit the Quaker? Oh, that's not good. There's no bird feeders. Oh, they're like all outlined in gold. Oh, that's amazing. What? Oh, look at the white one, the cockatoo.
Well, that's what I'm trying to tell you.
Oh my gosh, Jay, calm down. Hold 2 birds, take a photo with yourself. Hold super easy. $2 per person or $5 per group. Hold 2 to 4 birds. Did you want to go hold a bird, Jay? You know how to hold them. Okay guys, and that is it for the Canadian National Pet Show. Arcade show. There's a guy with the African gray over there. There was lots. I hope you guys liked our video. Remember, Parenting Parrots is not about being a pet owner, but being a parent to a toddler in parent form. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Ciao!